SL Diagnostics has been here and established in the year 2000. Say now for past 10 years we have been providing service in these areas. Our main idea was to have a good laboratory with all basic facilities, and additionally polyclinic support involving multiple specialty doctors, so that we can provide service to this area patients mainly in the form of laboratory services and consultation practice. There are various specialists involved in this SL Diagnostics, and like cardiology, urology, nephrology, neurology, and so on and so forth. And I am Dr. Ravi Shankar. I am the gastroenterologist looking after the gastro and liver services of SL Diagnostics. Basically, this is a office based practice. That means we don't deal with emergencies and we don't admit patients. There is no inpatient service here. Basically, it is a office based practice. We look after outpatient based services, and patients who ever come with the gastro problems, liver and pancreas problems are dealt with here. And we have good facility for all basic routine investigations, and including some specialized investigations like color Doppler, CT scan and other services. And as far as gastroenterology is concerned, we have special investigations like endoscopy, manometry, and even we can do capsule endoscopies here wherever essential and required. Usually in our practice, as I said, office based practice, it's a non-emergency. People come with various problems that involves their abdomen, that is stomach related problems like gastroesophageal reflux disease, acid peptic disease, colonic problems, intestinal problems, diarrheas, either acute or chronic, jaundice, and pancreas related problems. So we have facilities to cater to the requirement and diagnostic workup of these patients. Generally, what is required for this patient is a thorough history taking and detailed examination, which is very much possible in office based practice, and then we go ahead with routine basic investigations. And with this workup and things that are done to the patient, 90% of the patients can be dealt with. As I said, what is not dealt with is the emergency, and 10% of patients whom the diagnosis is not possible here, or where hospital admission or some major procedures or surgeries are required, those patients are taken to the hospitals. So that's how we practice here. Other specialists also do the same things, and I also work for Yashoda Hospital, Secunderabad, where my sick patients or patients who require major procedures are taken to Yashoda, Secunderabad, and the further workup is done there. We have special interest in working up jaundice patients, other liver diseases, gallbladder problems including CBD problems, and various diseases involving the stomach and esophagus.